how to reserve a car share vehicle on transit app. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can reserve a car share vehicle on transit app, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into your transit application, just like I'm about to do now. Yeah, so after launching the transit app and you are brought to the home page, on the main screen you would see a map, all right, showcasing your location as well as the nearby transit line and the next departure lines. All right, now the reason why you can see that on my home screen is because I'm currently in an unsupported region for transit app. So if you are in an unsupported region as well, this might also happen to you. So once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to note that um once you can see your current location, you also see a list of nearby car share vehicles. All right, it is inevitable you would have to see them. And then once you can see these nearby car share vehicles, each vehicle is represented by a pin on the map. So tap on this pin to view more details about the vehicle, and then if the option is available, that is if that vehicle can be requested for as a ride, tap on reserve vehicle to secure it for your use. All right, and then once you've done that, you are then good to go. Then you must note that there are some supported car share system on transit, including communicator, flex, and all of that. And then, like I said earlier, after logging into the main screen, you'll see your location, you'll see some transit lines, and then you'll see nearby car share vehicles. All right, each vehicle is represented by a pin, so just tap on a pin to view details about the vehicle, and then if the option is available amongst the other options, just select it, which is reserve vehicle, and then you can now secure it for your own use. So I hope this tutorial is straightforward. Thanks for watching and have a good day.